pick up where I left off last time.
I'm not in the beat. No wonder I didn't watch it.
Hey, Bruce.
You're talking about
Pretty
the
good.
Yeah, I remember all that. I didn't know you got me on film.
Yeah, I got all that. Got you talking on film. What's up to these days?
I live in Atlanta now. Moved to Atlanta after graduate school in New Orleans, and started working in management consulting with Deloitte & Touche. Was there for about 8 or 9 years. Moved to Florida to start our practice in Florida. Ran it for 8 or 9 years, and about 2 years ago moved back to Atlanta.
So what's your address if we need to contact you?
Miriam has all of that stuff, all the addresses, all the phone numbers.
Okay, let's say it on the video in case somebody's looking at it.
4333 Town Common Circle, Atlanta, Georgia, 30319.
Okay, and the
Phone number is 404-814-9564.
Okay, and what's Patty up to these days?
Patty lives in Nashville, Tennessee. She's got a husband, remember Richard Vernon? They were junior high school boyfriend and girlfriend when they got married. They live in Nashville, Tennessee and have 2 little boys.
Okay, and they know where David and what's his name, Wakeman are?
They probably know where the Wakemans are. David and Ricky and little
Wakeman.
Stevie Wakeman. Then Peggy lives in Fort Lauderdale. She's married to an electrical engineer named Dale. My little sister Susie lives on the coast of Mississippi. She's married and has 2 little kids. My littlest brother of all, nobody probably remembers, he's 12 years younger than me, Mark, has a rock and roll band.
He must not have been alive when I was there in 65.
He was not alive. He was 12 years younger than me. So.
Okay, now Rick.
This is it, 5 years later.
Sure is, and we haven't changed a bit.
No. He's got less hair on top.
Over here.
We won't go up there.
That's right. I still look good.
And only my hairdresser does.
Everybody is. Who are these people?
Susan Claggett, class of 68.
You were in Robin's class, my sister Robin Sterling. Okay. Well, what are you up to these days, Susan Claggett?
I'm in real estate in Virginia.
Virginia?
Well, the second
What part of Virginia? Springfield. We used to live in Arlington once upon a time.
Sooner or later, it seems like all people on
Everybody
VA
goes
police went
through.
through that way.
Okay, so if we need to contact you, what's the address?
If we do.
Such a deal.
Well, no, I did all the name tags, so I know it's going to be him. We have one over there. And a 20-year-old daughter.
Okay, now.
Young people like us.
March Dyer, Meredith was in our class, Rick, before you skipped. And your mother was talking about it. So where is Meredith these days?
She's in Santa Cruz.
Santa Cruz, New Mexico, California?
Is there any others?
Well, there.
Actually, went to high school. He kept getting all these buddies in there.
Sure.
March and I talked about this for quite a while.
I remember her.
Hey, Penny. Tom Brandon, class of 66.
Look at that. Okay, recognize this guy? There we go.
There you go.
Okay. You never know who's going to see this. I mean, put it on tape.
Marietta, Atlanta, Georgia.
The address?
4209 Kenwick Court.
Telephone number?
973-1255, area code 404.
Such a deal. What do you do these days?
Work with the Resolution Trust Corporation.
Oh my God, you're selling off the country, huh?
That's it, selling off all those failed assets.
There you go.
Everybody else gets money.
Okay, we got Andy Thornton. Mr. Johnson, front and center.
How are you?
Tell us who you are.
Well, I'm Don Johnson, class of 70.
When did you get there?
Well, I got there in 67. Middle of the year.
Middle of the year. And you're the man that brought the yearbook.
I brought the yearbook.
And if my battery doesn't wear out, we'll be able to videotape parts of
Well,
it.
I hope you do, because it's just right.
It's a classic. Classic.
I really need
Tom Reeves.
Tom Reeves. Wait a minute, let me take a pause. Go ahead.
I can refresh your memory. I was in a gang fight with this guy in the streets of Rio.
We had a fight, yeah. We did?
Against some Brazilians.
See, I told you.
And somebody pulled a knife out of their shoe, and it was this guy.
Hey, that's not true.
And Craig Wade pulled a gun.
He put a gun.
Who's got a gun?
And everybody ran down the streets of Rio running and screaming.
Jesus. Things got a little rougher after we left.
The streets are real. What can I say? How are you doing?
What class?
I can't believe it. You know, I was going to play.
Do you remember?
Yes.
Okay, who's this? Oh, you look
We were
familiar.
in that bar. We were
I know that
beer
face.
bottle.
That all etiquette out the window here.
You're the t-shirt man.
I'm the teacher, Finn?
The t-shirt man.
Definitely. I have a trunk load in my rental car out there. Good. You're a beautiful lady.
My daughter sleeps in her dad's t-shirts.
There you go. It says class reunion on in 1993. I have a little white out there.
Never crossed out 95, 97, or whatever year.
Were you not? You were with
I'm
Ms.
affiliated,
Asper?
right? Yes,
Okay.
I'm Katie Asper's husband.
Okay.
I'm
Where do
Mr.
you
Asper.
guys reside now?
We now live in San Luis Obispo, California.
Oh, California. You came almost farther than I did. I came from Phoenix.
Phoenix.
Yeah.
It's a god-awful place, but you're
Great place to get the hell out of.
especially in August.
Really?
But you came to Florida in
Well, I
August.
thought this might be worse, actually, but it's better.
Is it really?
Definitely.
Peggy
Oh,
Krause.
Peggy Krause.
But you're my class?
Yes, I was.
Well, you must have got there after I left.
Yes, I did. I got there in 67.
You probably would have gone steady with me if I had been there.
Oh, yeah, right.
Fernandez sister.
I thought about calling you guys, except I still have house guests.
Okay, front and center. Identify yourself.
Listening in.
He's really, you know,
Okay.
he gets
So who are you again? So everybody knows.
Hernandez.
works really hard on these things.
Yeah, and I should have graduated class of 72. I left though in 69.
You were in my brother's class. You would have been.
Would have been, but
Now, just so it's clear that I have asked, you don't recognize the name Lizzie Fonseca.
no, I do not recognize.
You do know Mimi Warren, though.
You remember the name, maybe Warren.
No Randy Hayes.
No Randy Hayes, but I'm looking for a Sonia Hale.
I love your
Sonia
tie.
Hale.
Sonia Hale.
Well, I'm sure my brother doesn't know who she is. Well, he may know who she is, but he doesn't know where she's at.
Okay, last whereabouts were in San Diego.
Okay, and what's your address these days?
Oh, I'm in Orlando, Florida.
Okay, but in case anybody who sees this might want to write,
Oh, okay.
it may not be just me that sees it.
I got to lose 20
I